In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download files from your Google Drive. So as you can see guys, I am here on my Google Drive and these are all the files that I have inside Google Drive. So for example, if I right click on this one here, as you can see there is no option to download this one. And if you go to this video here, what you can do is right click, and if this is downloadable, what this will do is it will give you the option to download down here. And if you get the option to download it, all you need to do is obviously click on the download button. It will then scan for viruses, as you can see in the bottom left hand corner of your screen. It will only take a couple of seconds, and then once you have done that, what it will do is it will start downloading to your computer. Depending on how big it is depending on how long it will take to download, and obviously based on other factors like your internet connection and things like that. So it's just that simple to download files from your Google Drive. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you on the next one.